Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of the Barclays Premier League. Today it's Norwich City against Manchester City. The visitors are unbeaten away from home so far in this campaign. Can they maintain that record today? So without further ado, we take you to Norwich. Here's your commentary team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Hi there, I'm Martin Tyler. With me today, Alan Smith, and we've got a match from the Barclays Premier League for you.
Yeah, thanks Martin. Delighted to be here, as I always am for these occasions.
Manchester City trying to get back to winning ways after their draw, an away draw against Arsenal.
No, I mean, a bit unlucky in the 0-0 draw. Forwards had plenty of chances. I think they'll make amends with a win today.
Here is the Norwich City team for you today. Martin Olsen starts with Stephen Whittaker as the wide defenders. Nathan Redmond starts, the player struggling for form. Cameron Jerome is the lone striker today. Manchester City's lineup today. Manchester City, Alan?
You have to take your hat off to them, Martin, because it's okay being expected to win the championship. It's a bit harder fulfilling those hopes, and they've done really well in doing that. Started this campaign really well, and I don't foresee them slipping up.
Nathan Redmond. Here's Wes Hoolahan. Johnny Howson. Silva. Johnson. Wes Hoolahan. He's won possession. Johnny Howson. They've linked up well. And he goes for goal! Still in play here. Well, he's beaten his man. That's a decent challenge by the opponent. Well, they've got to be careful with these early challenges. The referee's penalised that one. I think the referee's just trying to tell the players with this decision and the use of the yellow card how he expects them to behave.
Yeah, so often we see later on in a match where that same player gets sent off. Let's hope it doesn't happen here.
And it's a shot at goal from the free kick. It was a good sight of goal, but he skied it. Johnny Howson. Jerome. Fabian Delph. Free kick against Manchester City. Norwich City's next game, Alan?
They're playing Crystal Palace in the next match in the Barclays Premier League, and I don't know really what the score's going to be here. I don't think there's going to be much between them.
Oh, it's a little one, that left foot of David Silva's.
Johnny Howson. Whittaker. Crisp defending there. In towards Silva. Now the cross from David Silva. Great header, great goal!
And he's got a few of these down the years. He knows where to position himself in the box. Good header.
Manchester City in front. Where's Hoolahan? Redmond. Jerome. Well, that's widened the game here, and they've got it to the wide man well. Here's Wes Hoolahan. Tidied up very well by the defender from what looked like a pretty dangerous cross. Got to be. Oh, he's had a crack here.
Well, it was all about making the right connection. He just couldn't quite manage it.
And that little deflection has sent the ball over the touchline. Sanya. Up at Sunderland, Alan McInally is on patrol. Alan, a goal from the Stadium of Light.
It's a goal for Sunderland. It's been scored by Emmanuel Giaccherini. A beautifully placed looping header back over the keeper and then off the far post. 27 minutes played, 1-0.
Thank you very much, Alan. Trying to up the ante, the visiting team here. 8 points from their last 5 league games. If they could get another 3 today, he might be through. They've got it away from the danger. In towards Silva. Giroud. And it's back to him again. Martin Olsen. It's looking good, this move. And that's going to be a stoppage in play, according to Kevin Friend, the referee. He committed himself here. There wasn't much cover, but he got the ball, the defender, in the wide position. What we're seeing at the moment is Manchester City being worked very hard indeed. They do have the lead, and that's obviously a plus, but their general level of play could improve. The second half to come, of course. Going to pass it out to the player giving the width on this side of the field. And we'll get it back here. Fabian Delph. Quick tempo to the passing. The opposition can't get near them. Chance for it, got to be. And it's in the net for the goal.
And the way he's hit this one, he flew off his boot to beat the keeper.
And it's 2-0 here. Where's Houlihan? And it's passed back again. Bradley Johnson. Probing away, trying to find room for a shot maybe. Olsen. Sanya. Silva. Absolutely no trouble for the goalkeeper here to save that shot from distance. Where's Houlihan? Redmond. Half-time now, and 2-0 is the score at the break. Two sides of this particular story. The home side, well, it's not going well, and the away side absolutely delighted to be in front, and now with the goal just before half-time, they're 2 goals in front.
Yeah, and 1 or 2 moans and groans, whistles from the crowd at half-time when the whistle went, so the home side have got to cope with that in the second.
So here we go with the second half. Giroud. Well, he's played it into the wide area there, played it well. Opportunity to cross it now. Giroud. And here's the cross. Can we have another look at the goal? Yes. On EA Sports very soon for you, the Champions Cup fixture. Manchester City will be hosting Athletic Bilbao.
Yeah, high quality fixture this one. There won't be much quarter given.
Martin Olsen. It's time for the substitutes, I think, and the substitution for the home team here. Here the challenge is a good one. Johnson. Basson. Redmond. Silva. Nathan Redmond. Johnny Howson. Gets his foot in there. In with a chance. Great opportunity for a great player, but not a great finish.
No, 9 times out of 10, I think we'd have seen the net bulge in there. This was the one time.
Possession in the midfield area. Time to go to Anfield, where Alan McInally's got some news for us.
It's a second goal for Liverpool. It's been scored by James Milner. A low, powerful strike across the keeper. 61 minutes played, 2-0.
Cheers, Alan. For Manchester City, the substitute is ready. And quickly back to his feet. They've wasted possession. Whittaker. And Johnson. Stephen Whittaker. Alan McInally's watching the game at Manchester United today from Old Trafford. A goal.
It's a goal for West Ham United. It's been scored by Stuart Downing. The fullback gifted him the ball. He took 3 steps forward and fired home from a tight angle. 66 minutes played, 2-1.
Thank you very much, Alan. Whipped out wide. Good ball to stretch the opposition. He could lay it off to the supporting player. Gary Hooper! He's goal! What a brilliant header!
He's come off the forehead really solidly. Keeper no chance for that one.
And the scoreline is 2-1. What a nice challenge. And the ref do. Yellow from the ref.
Oh, without question.
Substitution from the field. Is the 21.
Pushed back into play by the goalkeeper. Crosses in. Up he went, and the header, it just couldn't keep it down.
No, he did most things right. There, found himself in some space and got up early.
Bassong. That's a great clearance. Throw in now.
Substitution.
There's been plenty of warming up going on, and now I think one of the substitutes will be brought into the game. And it will go into the middle now. The cross came in, but the defender was first to it. And he goes for goal. It's not a decisive save. Redmond. Possession in the midfield area. They've got the ball back, the interceptor got it for them. We know how many late goals come in this competition. They want another one now.
Well, I wouldn't be surprised to see the opposition manager put another centre-half on here to try and cope with this aerial bombardment that's about to come, I think.
Bassong. Well, they were in front at half-time. They're still in front, Manchester City. And that's an equaliser. So late in the day, but it's definitely in and it counts.
And yes, it's gone down the middle, but it's gone high, and it's certainly gone hard, that volley.
Well, this is a fantastic game. It's level once more. Can't blame them. They just want to defend the position now. Everybody slotting back into where they should be when the opposition have the ball.
Well, after scoring with that route one approach, it's all hands on deck at the back.
Sterling! In a game of few chances, that really was an opportunity.
Yeah, and what a glaring opportunity as well. It was a horrendous miss.
keeper. It's going to be a free kick given by the referee. He's had a good game. Well, the ref's given a foul here, and it's a bad one, yellow.
Yeah, no surprise there at all.
Nathan Redmond. Yusuf Malumbu. Pass on. He's into the challenge. And the referee has now called the halt.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Well, for periods of this game, Alan, they dominated the ball, but it didn't take it into a winning position.
I don't think they were always positive in possession, though, Martin. They didn't try those incisive one-touch passes quite enough.
So, full-time, with the final score 2-2. I'll leave you with the full match highlights, and until next time.
The Barclays Premier League. Arsenal 1, Tottenham Hotspur 0. Chelsea 3, Aston Villa 0. Crystal Palace 1, Leicester City 0. Liverpool 2, Everton 1. Manchester United 3, West Ham United 1. Norwich City 2,